Namaste student, Khush raho bitiya. I am JBN Dr. Meenakshi Maheshwari, Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jayoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about discuss the business organization. In this subject, our topic is what is entrepreneurship. So let's start about entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is the ability and leading to develop, organize, and run a business enterprise, along with any of its uncertainties, in order to make a profit. The most prominent example of entrepreneurship is the starting of new business. In economics, entrepreneurship connect with land, labor, natural resources, and capital can generate a profit. The entrepreneurial vision is defined by dictionary, discovery, and risk taking, and it is a indisciplined part of nation's capacity and more competitive global marketplace. Meaning of entrepreneurs: the entrepreneur is defined as someone who has the ability, desire to establish, administer, and succeed in a startup venture, along with risk entitled to it, make profit. The best example of entrepreneurship is the starting of a new business ventures. The entrepreneurs are often known as source of new ideas or innovators, or bring new ideas in the market by replacing old with a new invention. It can be classified into small or home business to multinational companies. In economics, the profit that an entrepreneur makes is with a combination of land, natural resources, labor, and capital. In a nutshell, anyone who has the will and determined to start a new company and deals with all the risk to go with it can become an entrepreneur. So let's start. What are the type of entrepreneurship? It can be classified into the following types. First one is small business entrepreneurship. These business are a hairdresser, grocery store, travel agent, consultant, carpenter, plumber, electrician, etc. These people run or own their own business and hire family members or local employees. For them, the profit would be able to feed their family, not making 100 million business or taking over an industry. They fund their business by taking small business loans or loans from friends and family. Second is scalable startup entrepreneurship. These startup entrepreneurs start a business knowing that their vision can change the world. They attract investors who think and encourage people who think out of the box. The research focus on a scalable business as experimental model. So they hire the best and the brightest employees. They require more venture capital to fuel and back their project or business. Next is large company entrepreneurship. These companies have defined life cycles. Most of these companies grow and sustain by offering new and innovative products that revolve around their main product. The change in technology, customer preferences, and new competition, etc. build pressure for large companies to create an innovative product and sell it to the new set of customers in the new market. To cope with the rapid technology change, the exciting organization either by innovation enterprises or attempt to construct the product internally. Social entrepreneurship. This type of entrepreneurship focus on producing products and services that resolve social needs and problems. Their only motto and goal is to work for society and not to make my profit. These are the types of entrepreneurship, and we explain characteristic of entrepreneurship. Not all entrepreneurs are successful. There are definite characteristics that make entrepreneurship successful. A few of them are mentioned below. First one is ability to take a risk. Starting any new venture involve a considerable amount of failure risk. Therefore, an entrepreneur need to be courageous and able to evaluate and take risk, which is an essential part of being an entrepreneur. Second is innovation. It should be highly innovative to generate new ideas, start a company and earn profit out of it. Change can be the launching of new product that is new to market, or a process that does the same thing but in a more efficient and economically way. Next is visionary and leadership quality. These are the main characteristics of entrepreneurship. To be successful, the entrepreneur should have a clear vision of a new venture. However, to turn the idea into reality, a lot of resources and employees are required. Here, leadership quality is paramount because leaders impart and guide their employee toward the right path of success. Next is open minded. In a business, every circumstances can be opportunity and used for benefit of a company. For example, Paytm recognized the gravity of demonetization and acknowledged the need for online transaction would be more. So it utilized the situation and expanded massively during this time. Next is flexible. An entrepreneur should be flexible and open to change according to the situation. To be on the top, a business person should be equipped to embrace change in a product or service as and when needed. Next is know your product. A company owner should know the product offering and also be aware of the latest trend in the market. It is essential to know if the available product or services meet the demand of the current market, or whether it is time to tweak it a little. Being able to accountable and then alter as need is a vital part of entrepreneurship. These are the characteristics of entrepreneurship. We explain importance of entrepreneurship. First one is creation of employees. Entrepreneurship generate employment. It provide an entry level job required for gaining experience and training for unskilled workers. Next is innovation. It is the hub of innovation that provide new product venture, market, technology and quality of goods and increase the standard of living of people. Next is impact on society and community development. A society becomes greater if the employment base is large and diversified. It brings about change in society and promote facilities like higher expenditure on education, better sanitization, fewer slums, a higher level of home ownership. Therefore, entrepreneurship assists the organization toward a more stable and high quality of community life. Next is increase standard of living. Entrepreneurship help the improve the standard of living. A person by increasing the income, the standard of living means increase in the consumption of various goods and services by a household for a particular product. Next is support research and development. New product and services need to be researched and tested before launching in the market. Therefore, an enterprises also dispense finance for research and development with research institution and university. This promotes research, general construction and development in the economy. The above mentioned concept entrepreneurship is commerce students by JVW. So we explain, repeat what is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is the ability and readiness to develop, organize, and run a business enterprise along with any of its uncertain in order to make a profit. The most prominent example of entrepreneurship is the starting of new business. In economics, entrepreneurship connected with land, labor, natural resources, and capital can generate a profit. The entrepreneur vision is defined by discovery and risk taking and is an indispensable part of nation's capacity to succeed in an ever changing and more competitive global market. Meaning of entrepreneur: the entrepreneur is defined as someone who has the ability and desire to establish, administer, and succeed in a startup venture along with risk entitled to it to make profit. The best example of entrepreneurship is the starting of new business venture. The entrepreneurs are often known as the source of new ideas or innovator and bring new ideas in the market by replacing old with a new invention. It can be classified into small or home business to multinational companies. Economics: the profit that an entrepreneur makes is with a combination of land, natural resources, and capital. In a nutshell, anyone who has the will and determined to start a new company and deal with all the risks that go with can become entrepreneur. So types of entrepreneur: there are some types of entrepreneur. First one is small business entrepreneurship, and second is scalable startup entrepreneurs. Third is large company entrepreneurship, and the last is social entrepreneurship. These are the characteristics of entrepreneur. First one is ability to take a risk, innovation, visionary and leadership quality, and open minded, flexible, know your product. And these are the importance of entrepreneurship: creation of employment, innovation, impact on society and community development, increase standard of living, support research and development. So in this session, important question asked in the examination: what is entrepreneurship? Define types of entrepreneurship, the importance of entrepreneurship, and also characteristic of entrepreneurship. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.